Infratech has been a pioneer and leader in infrared technology for more than 50 years. Our company has decades of experience in the technical use of infrared energy for many heating applications. Infratech operates in a state-of-the-art facility in Southern California. From stainless steel housings and hardware to our tubular quartz elements, nearly every part that we use in an Infratech heater is manufactured on-site. Our products and controls are proudly covered by the most extensive warranty in the industry. Infratech offers a wide range of products for comfort heat, automotive curing, and industrial heat applications. We use the latest in manufacturing technologies to offer you the most efficient infrared systems for the lowest cost in the industry. We know that every installation is unique. Infratech provides engineers and architects with collaborative customer support. We'll work with you during the planning and design process to develop customized solutions that will meet your needs. This is why you'll find Infratech comfort heating systems in some of the most prestigious hotels, restaurants, and private residences in the world. We start by fabricating sheets of 304 stainless steel to size in order to form the body of the heater to our exact standards. The manufacturing process involves laser cutting, shearing, punching, bending, and stamping, with other precision requirements to make your Infratech heater. Once the stainless steel has been precisely cut, we are ready to machine process the heaters, components, and brackets to prepare them for assembly. To manufacture the heaters, we use state-of-the-art, computer-controlled machinery that can measure tolerances within thousandths of an inch. We then spot weld these parts together, taking great care to form the frame of the heater body. The junction box and other parts will be welded onto the frame at this time to make your installation both simple and safe. To ensure long-lasting quality, we use a high-grade, heat-resistant powder coating paint process. Once in the assembly department, our associates build each heater by hand, inspecting for quality at each step. Infratech manufactures all of our tubular quartz heating elements on-site to our precise specifications. When a heater is ready for assembly, a heating element with the correct wattage and voltage will be selected for that heater. All Infratech heaters can be installed with controls ranging from simple on-off switches to sophisticated solid-state control systems or home management systems. With our solid-state controls, you and your guests can experience the ultimate in comfort. Control panels are engineered and constructed for each individual project and are available in any voltage. Infratech is proud to be a UL 508 listed control manufacturer. After final assembly has been completed and all inspections passed, the heater and all necessary parts will be packaged for shipping. We take pride in using recyclable packaging and components. At Infratech, we are proud of the care and quality that goes into each heater. We support each product with unparalleled service and delivery. These are our core values, and this is what you can expect from Infratech. We look forward to working with you.